In this case study, I'll show you an example of using Scriptable Sheets with Dots Survivors created by Johnny from Turbo Makes Games. Dots Survivors is a complete Unity game developed with Dots and ECS that also doubles as an exceptional hands-on learning resource. The asset store link is in the description, so check it out. I've already gone ahead and imported both Dots Survivors and Scriptable Sheets. So let's go ahead and open a new Scriptable Sheets window. In Scriptable Sheets, every asset is a row and every column is a property. I can select any scriptable object type in the project. For Dots Survivors, that means I can select characters, enemy spawn waves, evolved weapons, stages, and so on. As I select each of these types, they get pinned to the toolbar. I can quickly jump between them. Let's adjust the row height to see the sprites associated with our characters. Using the context menu, select Open Settings window. Under User Interface, I can adjust my row line height setting, giving me bigger text boxes and asset previews. Scriptable Sheets can also go beyond scriptable objects, giving you instant table views of all your materials, prefabs, components, and more. Now let's go ahead and create a new stage scriptable object. I can see my new stage immediately and begin editing its properties. In Dots Survivors, a stage is composed of enemy spawn waves. These spawn waves are also scriptable objects. For my new stage, I can quickly assign existing spawn waves or create entirely new ones which will be auto-assigned. Each spawn wave in Dots Survivors also has various enemy types as well as a ton of other properties we can fine-tune. I'd like to be able to edit these values in a spreadsheet like Google Sheets. To do this, we need to tweak some settings. I'd like to include headers for each column, so I'll enable headers. Some of our spawn waves are on the next page, so I'll disable page rows only to ensure all rows transfer even across pages. Enemy spawn wave 12 has 6 enemy types, so I'll set an array size override of 6 to show them all. Now click the Copy button on the toolbar and paste directly into a Google Sheet. I'll use Google Sheets to quickly fill these properties incrementally. For instance, I know I want to increase my min enemy count as the waves get harder. I can then copy that data and paste it directly back into Scriptable Sheets. We can repeat this process for each property or copy-paste multiple properties at a time. Optionally, you can import the whole sheet with a single click using a Google Sheets importer. I won't get into that in this video, but check out the documentation to learn more. With Scriptable Sheets, you have all your data at your fingertips, and with a project like Dots Survivors, built on the backbone of Scriptable Objects, it becomes the perfect match.